Hello everyone, welcome to SS EduTech. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today we are going to discuss about 10th class Maths chapter wise formulae part 3. Some applications of trigonometry. Line of sight. The line joining the observer eye and the object observed. Where is the line joining the observer eye and the object? And where is the object here? Those line is called as line of sight. Angle of elevation. The angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight, which is above the observer's eye, is called angle of elevation. Is called angle of elevation, angle of depression. The angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight, which is below the observer's eye, is called angle of depression. Next, area related to circles. Perimeter and circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. Area enclosed by two concentric circles is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Length of an arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of corresponding angles. Area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Angle covered in 1 minute. Here angle is equal to 360 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 360 by 60 is equal to 6 degrees. Angle covered in 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Surfaces and volumes. Cuboid. TSA means total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. CSA means curved surface area, that is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Volume L into B into H. Cube. TSA is equal to 6A square. CSA is equal to 4A square. Volume is equal to A cube. Cylinder. TSA is equal to 2 pi r into R plus H. CSA is equal to 2 pi r H. Volume is equal to pi r square H. Cone. TSA is equal to pi r into L plus R. L is equal to root of R square plus H square. CSA is equal to pi into L. Pi into L. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. Sphere. TSA is equal to 4 pi r square. CSA is equal to no CSA for sphere. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere. TSA is equal to 3 pi r square. CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. Volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Frustum. TSA is equal to pi L into R plus X into R square plus R square. CSA is equal to pi L into R plus R, where L is equal to root of H square plus R minus R whole square. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi H into R square plus small r into capital R. Next, statistics. Mean, mode, median. 3 are the direct method, assume method, step deviation. Direct method. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Assumed method is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Step deviation method. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Ui is equal to x minus a by h. Mode. Mode is equal to al plus fi minus f0 by 2fi minus f0 minus f2 into h. Median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into h. Cf is equal to cumulative frequency. Empirical formula. Mean, mode, median. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Cumulative frequency less than a give. Construct a cumulative frequency table, mark the upper class limit on x-axis. More than a give, construct frequency table, mark the lower class limit on x-axis. To obtain the median of frequency distribution on graph, this is only for graph purpose, not for the problems, it is only for graph purpose. Locate the point of intersection, draw a perpendicular from this point on x-axis. Probability P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of all possible outcomes. Sum of probability of all events is equal to 1. Probability of sure events is equal to 1. Impossible event is equal to 0. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. Click the bell icon.